Hi, I am Anas Sabri, founder of BookAI.ca, the AI agent software as service solution. This will be my second video in which I'll walk you through how to check and assign telephone number for your hosted AI agent. Before I started, I encourage you to watch my first video, Welcome to BookAI Getting Started tutorial. That will give you a high-level understanding about the platform and its supported features. Now let's get started. As you can see on my screen here, I have created a barber city, trial accounts. I spent my first video explaining about the overview, and the target of this video is to walk you through your phone number. As you can see here, as a new business registered, you have the possibility to select and assign telephone number that best suits your business practice. You have one of two options. Is to go either to go to toll-free number, check the availability, and you can select a number. If you do not like any of these numbers, you can get more options. You can scroll down till you find something that you believe this is good for my number practice. I click on it. Now it's very important that this action cannot be easily undone. So this phone number will be assigned to your business. Make sure this number is the number you want. Then if you confirm and assign it to be assigned to you. I'm not going to assign this one because I need to explain the local number. The other options, if you do not want to go with toll-free, you can select local number. In the local number, there is like a selection and drop-down areas. Here, this one is a dynamic list, and it will list down the current available number that you can reserve. You can select from, let's say. So you have, for instance, Vancouver. Check the numbers. You will see here the city and the province. And if you feel that this number is not there, you can get more till you check all the options. Of course, I'm in GTA. Let me select GTA. Check numbers. I'll check, those numbers. I don't like this. I'll keep scrolling down till I find a number that I feel let's say it's good for my practice. Let's select this one. Now, again, if I confirm and assign, it will automatically provision and it will become dedicated for your AI. And your AI receptionist will be immediately ready to receive calls on these numbers, on your assigned number. Thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for my other videos in which I'll explain the other tabs. Thank you.